If you're a Markate user and you want to integrate Markate Online Booking with Google Analytics, here's how you do it. First, you're going to need to have a Markate account. You're also going to need to have the online booking add-on. So go to the add-ons section and turn on online booking if it's not already enabled. Right now, it's an additional $10 a month to add online booking. You're going to click manage, and underneath your online booking settings, you're going to scroll down and look for the field that says Google Analytics. You're going to take your Google Analytics tracking ID. They give you an example of what that looks like right here. Go find that inside of your Google Analytics account. You can go to analytics.google.com. If you don't know where to find your account, you can log in at analytics.google.com and you should be able to find an analytics account. So I went ahead and pulled up this account. Here's my ID right here. If it doesn't show up at the top of your screen, you can go into admin and click on data streams, and then you'll usually see your ID, measurement ID right here. So copy that, paste it into this field right here. And then you should also, if you're going to put the online booking widget on your website directly, you should put your website URL right here in this field and then click save. And after you save this, you should have Google Analytics installed with your online booking. And I believe what's going to happen is that Markate's going to send events to Google Analytics for anytime somebody starts a booking or completes a booking. I'm not sure what events exactly they're going to send, but you can go look at the events inside of your Google Analytics account. If one of them looks like it's an event for somebody completing a booking, you might want to mark that as a key event inside of your Google Analytics account. So when you start seeing the events push from Markate to Google Analytics, mark any of the important ones as key events, like an event if somebody completes a booking. That will help you track online bookings inside of your Google Analytics account. That way you can see how much traffic your site's getting, where your traffic's coming from, and how many people are booking, where those people are coming from, all inside of your Google Analytics account using GA4 and Markate. If this video was helpful, hit like. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. I'm Reuben with Book Cleaning Jobs, and I'll talk to you later.